So the challenge is some of you guys are going on the appointments and the seller's not willing to sign any paperwork with you because you're taking the authorization to show and it's a no-go, right? Authorization to show form and it's a no-go. Why is it a no-go? It's because it's so much words. It's scary for a seller to look at that and they don't trust you. Remember where we are on the trust meter. Everybody mute, please. Remember where we are on the trust meter as real estate agents. We're down there with lawyers, guys, on the trust scale, right? You guys can Google this, where the people do not trust lawyers and they do not trust real estate agents. Unfortunately, that's just where we are. And so when you have all these words, even though an authorization to show and all these forms and GAR forms, they're meant to protect the consumer, people still don't trust us, right? Because the market you're going after are for sale by owners, mostly initially, right? And then they want to sell on their own without a realtor. And so you start to have all these words involved, they get nervous about it. So those of you that have called me about this, I said, well, why don't you just, what are their concerns? Well, they want to continue to sell the home on their own. They want to be able to work with multiple realtors. And I said, okay, well, why don't you just write that in special steps on the authorization to show, or take an amendment with you that says, you can work with any agent you want to. You can sell your home on your own. We are not in a listing agreement. I am just marketing your home for 2 weeks, putting in an FMLS and doing an open house for you. I'm resolved, right? I created my own form, right? I created my own form because you guys know from real estate school, when you were in real estate school, it says you can form a real estate contract on a what? Napkin, right? On a napkin. We all heard that. And so I've been doing this for decades. I just like, okay, let me just create my own contract between this client and myself based on what they want, not what I want. Now, when we talk about the 3 offers I'm making back to the seller, cash offer, 100% guaranteed, or selling your own, I don't care which one they choose. Because I'm going to be like Alice. No matter what happens, I'm going to pick up more listings and buyers. Because worst case scenario, I'm just going to be able to do my epic open house for them, bring buyers by next Saturday or Sunday, 3 to 7 buyers next Saturday or Sunday. And if that's all I got, I might do Saturday and Sunday for 1 hour, 2 hours of my time. And I'll probably pick up 10 clients. And once the seller sees me do it, because I'm going to videotape it, give them social proof, they'll probably hire me for the listing as well. I'm not telling you guys stuff that's new. And I would never teach you some maybe stuff that might work. I'm teaching you stuff that I've done, that has worked, and what other top realtors across the country are doing. So this is not debatable. I'm just trying to deliver it in a way that's palatable for everybody here. So, any questions or comments about anything I've talked about so far before I move forward even more? You guys with me? You gotta get off mute because I see some lips moving, but